nature shaped these gifts for those whose hearts have lost